Hey, are you struggling getting wholesaling leads? Are you feel like you're fighting an uphill battle? Listen, I want to show you how to get so many wholesaling leads. It almost feels like you're cheating the system. Guys, I'm not going to give you theory. I'm going to give you exact strategies that are working right now. Listen, it's free, it's fast, and it works right now in wholesaling.
Time and time again, we see wholesalers struggle. They just can't get leads. Why is it so easy for these people, and why am I struggling and being broke and struggling in this business? The truth here in wholesaling real estate is it's not the industry that's against you. There are certain marketing strategies and tactics that you're not doing, which is the main reason why you have no leads. So what I'm going to do is show you how to get so many dang leads it feels illegal to know. A cheat code in the matrix, a cheat code in the wholesaling system, so you can have wholesaling real estate success. What is up, guys? Zach in here.
Rick in here.
And that is true. We are going to show you how to get so many dang leads it feels illegal. Wholesaling real estate is simple. We'll be able to go from making no money to millions of dollars, all because we've mastered marketing. Marketing is the skill set, and getting leads is the most important thing you can focus on in wholesaling real estate. So let me tell you the hard truth. Nobody here is going to save you in wholesaling. There's no Superman that's going to give you all these magic leads. We'll call him Lead Man. It's not going to happen. These deals don't come falling from the sky. You either hunt or starve. You survive or die in this business. And you need to make the choice of what you're going to do. Are you going to be a broke loser wholesaler that gets no deals, complains about life, or are you actually going to become successful and succeed? If you decide you want to thrive, we're going to break it all down.
Guys, it's up to you. You have to make a decision at this point. Either you thrive or you die in this business. The choice is up to you. So guys, step one is pulling your government list. I always tell you, where there's smoke, there's fire. The whole goal here is to find the fire. The easiest way to find a fire is look for the smoke. The other reason why we use government list, they are simply the highest motivated list. And guys, they're free. So the lists are extensive. You can get them at freewholesaling.com, but you got code violations, you got probates, you got the eviction list, you got pre-foreclosures, you got divorce. It goes on and on. And guys, these lists are tried and true, and they work forever. They help me get started, and they help people right now in today's wholesaling market. So listen, if you are complaining about leads and you have not pulled every one of these government lists, stop. Go get them. How do you get them? You can simply go to your courthouse. You can request these leads. It's very straightforward. Listen, you're going to get some resistance. You beat it with persistence. If you want to learn more on how to do this, go over to freewholesaling.com. But you got to start with the basics. These are going to give you your best chance. And honestly, if they're free, you're going to have to put some effort into it. But why not give yourself the best chance to get the most motivated sellers? And why not let your hard-earned government tax dollars do the hard work for you? You just got to pull these lists. You're going to have to make the effort, and you're going to have to reach out to them. The best way is going to be cold calling or a texting, and just reach out and see if you can help these people, because nobody chooses to be on this list. So be resourceful, go out, get these lists, try to get all of them. If you can even get a quarter or half of them, you're well on your way to filling your pipeline with an unlimited amount of leads. But you've got to start with the basics. Government list is always the best starting point, because it's going to give you the greatest chance of getting a deal. Guys, this is going to be a lot of manual work. You're going to get some resistance. This is also going to test you out as a wholesaler to make sure you're going to show up every day. Guys, government list, that is the first place you want to start when filling up your lead box.
Like, no excuse, guys. Like, I'm telling you, right? We want to separate the winners and the losers in wholesaling. Well, if you already know about government lists, right? You've been to freewholesaling.com, you've been on this channel for a little bit, right? You know that most people just go after the regular paid list. They don't want to go after government lists because it's extra work. But why is it extra work? Because it's not the easiest list in the world to pull. But I'm telling you, you pull the code violations, the tax liens, the probates, the water shutoffs, the fire damage properties. There is gold in those lists. Most people don't want to pull it. It's too much work. Guess what? If you do it, you will get the deals and the success. And so if you're telling me, oh, I just can't get enough leads, you can't get enough leads because you're not willing to work hard. Either stay broke or get rich, but this is the gold mine. Step two, reverse drive for dollars. Get in your car, get your butt to action, and start making money. You want leads, you want it to feel illegal. Well, here's the most illegal part. By you and your friends and all these other wholesalers getting this business, they're always, oh man, it's so hard to find leads. Well, you got people say, well, it's pretty easy. Just show up every day and do it. Like that's the secret. Like if you can go and put sticky notes on pre-foreclosures and people that are just having ugly looking houses by driving around, you're going to get leads that nobody else is doing. I don't care whatever list you pull on X Leads, you're not going to be able to get a special ugly houses list that no other wholesaler has except for drawing for dollars and reverse drawing for dollars. Just get a sticky note, put it in the door, says, hey, this is Zach. Got a quick question about your property. Please give me a call back. It works so well, it feels illegal to do this because nobody else on the internet talks about putting sticky notes on houses. Literally nobody else, because I got no course to sell you. Like it won't be. I mean, can you think we could sell a $3,000 course on sticky notes? Probably not, right? So no one talks about it, but it just feels so crazy because in a weekend you get 5 or 6 inbound leads of people looking to get rid of the property.
Guys, I wish I could go back in time and do the reverse driving for dollar strategy as opposed to door knocking, probably the most painful outbound type of marketing you can ever do in your life. Guys, listen, they always say curiosity kills the cat. It's the same thing that works with motivated sellers. It's legal, it's compliant. And the reason you do it is because it gets a very positive response rate. Guys, that note makes sellers curious. And if they're curious, you can engage your seller. That is the game of marketing. If you want to fill your lead box up, I know it's work, but this work gets results. Reverse driving for dollars, it is a great marketing strategy.
So step number 3, let's get it cranking. Just go to X Leads, right? And just generally pull whatever big list you want to think of, right? So again, xleads.com, $97 a month to get 15,000 leads, right? But if you want to make this feel illegal, all I'm going to tell you is, let's say we live in Jacksonville, Florida, right? Like let's go to Jacksonville, Florida, right? Let's say I have the X plan. And let's do Duval County, actually. That's the county there, right? Let's actually get a ton of leads in this county. A lot of cash buyers, a lot of people in here looking to buy. I mean, there's 332,000 properties here. What we're going to do is let's filter this out and just find some leads, right? So let's get a list of all the people in that area that are vacant, right? No one's living in the house. That's awesome, right? And let's also get a list of those people that also have high equity, right? So let's go filter it out. Let's make sure they're not like super expensive houses. Let's make sure it's like single family only. And let's go make sure that, it's just individual or trusts. They've owned it for a couple of years and they have at least, let's do 55% equity in the list, right? That's going to be a list of around 2,000 people. And also let's just make sure it's not on market. So it's not an on market property. Okay. Now we got about 1,400 leads, right? Now it might make sense just call the list, right? I love calling. I love cold calling, but why don't we just make this like stupid easy, right? Let's just pull all these lists right here, 1,400, my leads. We're just going to download it standard, call it lead trace, and just export the data. Remember, you get 60,000 on the X plan here. And guess what? All these leads with their phone numbers and stuff, all the phone numbers of these owners and their emails pop up right here. And all the data gets exported on the exports tab. What we're going to do is go to freewholesaling.com and download the EOG. That is what we call our email offer generator software. And what we're going to do is we have 1,400 emails. We're just going to email blast all of them. Now, how much do you think it costs to email blast 1,400 people? Yeah, you guessed it, costs $0. So just go to freewholesaling.com, go to the classroom section, go through the course, my EOG, my email offer generator software is in the marketing section, and you're going to be able to email blast all 1,400 of those using Gmail, right? In that software, which is the free software, not the paid software, X Leads, you can go out here and email blast motivated sellers. It's absolutely insane. So all that software does, it connects Gmail to your Google Sheets, and all you have to do is just get a software for skip tracing. So X Leads, what I recommend, 60,000 for the X plan is absolutely insane, really. And you can send 30,000 emails every single month. So don't complain to me you can't find leads, because that's one of the best ways to find leads out there.
So let's take it a step further. You got those 1,400 leads plus all your government lists, all the other data you pulled. Maybe it's a high equity list from your X Leads account. You already have that data and it's all included in your X Leads account. You have the skip trace material. Let's pick up the phone and just start calling them. Think about this: 10, 20, 30, 40,000, whatever your level, up to 60,000. And you got to get through it. Rick, how am I going to call them? Simple. You can use X Leads or the single line dialer. And guys, you're thinking, well, how do I do my government list? If you go into X Leads, you can actually import them. You can skip trace it and you can export that data to where you can load. I'm telling you, 10, 20, 30, 40,000. You guys are talking about a shortage of leads. I'm giving you an abundance mindset because you need volume when you're starting out wholesaling. And guys, listen, if it's about a budget thing, is you can do this for free. Just go to truepeoplesearch.com. You can skip trace for free. You're going to have to put a little more time and effort, and you can simply use Google Voice and start reaching them out. It's going to take you more time, but I promise you this, It's not from a shortage of leads. It comes down to your willingness and resourcefulness to contact people on an extreme consistent basis, either by using software like X Leads or using free services because you have limited amount of capital. It is up to you. You have to move forward. You need volume. You need consistency. Guys, there's more leads than I know what to do with. You have got to take massive action right now.
And let's make it even easier. Let's do another one. JV hack. Like, just go to our communities, right? Freewholesaling.com, ZachDiscord.com, any of our live streams. If you have buyers, right? So if you can just go to Facebook and find cash buyers, if you can go to Craigslist, or you can go to Zillow for Rents for free, or even X Leads, which has all the buyers there. Buyers are really easy, right? That's the simplest part. But guess what? Leads, like that's what you want to do. Well, go to ZachDiscord.com, network with people. You're going to find a ton of people like, I'm locking up deals, but I just can't sell them. Well, I have a bunch of buyers I found on Facebook. Why don't we JV 50-50? We have a JV agreement, freewholesaling.com. Done. Guys, it's so simple to get these deals. Like, think about this. How unstoppable would you be if you pulled government lists and marketed to them every single day? You went out here and put sticky notes on doors. You email blast thousands and thousands of sellers this month. You started triple line dialing all the government lists and high equities and vacants. You started JVing with hundreds of wholesalers potentially, and you probably get 1 or 2 of those a month. You are going to be absolutely unstoppable.
So guys, now we have to put it all together, and you're going to use the simple system of time blocking. You need undistracted time. I like to focus in time blocks of 2, maybe 3 hours. And then you go in. If you're going to cold call, you're going to call 300 people, stay there and do that. Turn your phone off, put it on silent, airplane mode. Don't answer emails and go all in. You're talking about a guy with ADHD. Go all in and do one thing the best. Take a break, return phone calls, take a walk, come back in. You can set up your email. You can focus on setting them up and do your whole blast. Get your list together and go out and do that reverse driving for dollars. It'll probably take you a couple hours. Just dedicate it to it. Get it done. Put your best music jam in there and get it done. Don't try to do all things at once. You're better off with laser focused visions. Do the time blocking, 2, maybe 3 hours if you can stand it. Get it done, take a break, and keep moving forward. And most importantly, be consistent with your time block, because that's how you get stuff done in wholesaling. Now, guys, this effort that me and Zach have shared with you is about you showing up every day. By you showing up every day, that's how you fill your pipeline with leads. And once you start working these leads and you get in a flow and you stay in it, you'll be shocked by how many deals you can put together, how easily deals start to flow with you. But you've got to show up and do the work. You can't take days off, and you can't let your emotions rule when you want to do this. You have to control your mind, set those time blocks and get it done. Show up every day. You'll be shocked how quickly your wholesale business will change for the positive.
Okay, so even if you did half of what I'm wanting you to do every single day, you're going to get at least a deal a month. Like, no questions asked. Like, there's no excuse why you're not going to get your first deal doing this, or you're not going to make $100,000 this year. You can even do $1 million, just add the volume or 5x whatever I told you. But why other people are just crying about how hard wholesaling is, you're going to be executing. You're going to be getting deals and getting success. So if you're ready to stop scrolling and doom scrolling and just like, oh, I don't know why I'm not successful, take action. There's no more videos to watch. Just go out here and do the leads and get the success. Guys, if you want to get the best wholesaling software, check out xleads.com. This one I highly recommend. But like always, guys, just join a free wholesaling community, freewholesaling.com, and always smash that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you soon. This is Zach signing out.
Rick signing out.
Have a blessed one.
See you guys.